So today we will look at how to replace a key battery inside a Audi key. So this is a key for a Audi Q5 2021 model. So the battery that goes into a Audi Q5 is 2032 CR2032. I have some of these batteries. I have opened one of them here. So first of all, what we need to do is there are two buttons here on the side. We need to press them and then take this out. So like this, you press both of them and then this key will come out. This is the security key that is there in every key. And then what we need to do is press the same buttons here and then use a screwdriver and then pull this thing out like this. As soon as you do that, this is the old battery which is maybe expired now, so it's not working anymore. So we will put up a new battery here like this. It will go like this when you place it. So this is a Duracell battery, and then we will just close it up and we have placed this new battery, and then we just need to press this and then just press the buttons again and then push this in. So this is the key is ready now for use.